Na mtu somewhere, mtu mwenye anakaa mwe unamjua. What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the KOTIENO'S here again with you, and my name is Diana. For those who are seeing me for the first time, yeah, now you know my name. Our returnees, you're welcome back. Our new bays, welcome, and we welcome you with love. So if you like my videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If there's any suggestion that you think we should improve on, any idea, we are open to any suggestion, and feel free to comment, subscribe, like, and also when you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell. That way you are being notified each and every time we post. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, I'm at Marikiti market and I'm here to get some spices as my spices are almost out. So I'm here to do a restock. Yo guys, do you see what I'm seeing? I'm seeing simos, and it's been a week ever since I took simos. My simos had finished and I really needed some. So I'm so happy to get them right here, right now, because normally I don't buy them from here. But since they are here, why can't I just hit two birds with one stone? So I'll get them. And guys, on the next video, I'll be taking you along how to make these simos, and I'll be explaining the benefits of simos in details. So kindly stay tuned for that because it's very, very educational, and you'll thank me later. Chicken curry. I want some chicken curry. I want some turmeric. So we'll make a very, very nice. Okay, naked turmeric. I also need this cayenne powder. I also need cayenne powder. Hiyo ni how much? Hiyo ni ngapi? Ngapi? Okay, sawa. All right, my loves.
I'm going home now. I have to mute my microphone because there's so much music here and I'm trying to avoid copyright strike.
And on my way home, I decided to brunch by the supermarket, Naivas to be precise. I really needed that cat food, especially that cat food more than anything. Yeah, so I got it and it was on offer at 1,000 something shillings for that big packet. So it will take my cat for a few weeks.
Guys, we are home now and I'm ready to make this okra water, and I want to show you how the procedure goes. As you can see, we have our okra water very fresh. What we're going to do now is just wash it very clean and then chop it into slices. And then we're gonna store it in the fridge overnight. By morning it will be ready.
The next day.
Drinking okra water on an empty stomach is a popular wellness trend believed to maximize the absorption of soluble fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds. Potential and health benefits are blood sugar control, digestion support, hydration and nutrients, and cholesterol management.
So after that, now I'm washing my kitchen towels. I use Usafi detergent, and then after I'm using vinegar, just kidogo, not so much, you don't need too much. And then you put in your kitchen towels, and then you pour your hot water on top. Yeah, the water was too hot. I couldn't even touch it anymore. So I had to use my spoon over there to stir it. And then I'm gonna leave it to soak for 30 minutes before I get to wash it. And that's how I keep them clean and maintained. While my kitchen towels are soaking, I wanna go and take breakfast. As you can see, it's ready. And this air fryer has made work very, very easier. Especially when you have things like sausage, utaki kuzieka kwa oil, utaki kuzi dip in the oil. You just put them in the air fryer and yeah, it will be just as good. So guys, I'm so excited to unwrap this package with you. I got it from online. I think TikTok to be precise. Yeah, and they are very very beautiful organizer. I can't wait to open it with you guys. Can you imagine? I've been having these organizers in my drawer for almost 2 weeks. I've been so busy this week that I didn't even have a find time to unwrap these. Even my sister has been so busy. So you can see that beautiful oil jar. It's so beautiful. Gosh, I love it. Check this out, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Tiny canister. Yeah, so that one is for the sugar. And then this one, I'll use this one to put, me and Mel will use this one to put things like Maggi, like cubes, Royco cubes. Yeah, they're so cute. Little canisters. We used to have big ones. I think we still have them. They're somewhere there. Yeah, but we really needed the tiny small one. And then so Mel was just wiping them before before she pours the oil in it. Look at that. Life made easy. Yeah, so just like that. I'm so proud of my sister. She really did a good job. Amepewa hiyo kipaji ya kupanga. This girl, she can arrange, she can pack. I call it first class packing.